The easiest way to get $9,000? It's easy if you do it smart. This YouTube channel discusses various tutorials about Canva and helps you earn money with Canva, so make sure you give thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to this channel because thumbs up, comments, and subscribe are free, guys. Digital products have great potential to become passive income that can continue to make money as long as the product is in your Etsy shop. But the problem is that many people are too lazy to make digital products because they require work in the beginning to make a product. The solution is a digital product that you can make in just 5 minutes and you can sell it immediately. The seller of this product can see what other people rarely see, and this product is on Canva, and you can sell it to your Etsy shop. Let's just open the Etsy website so you understand better and have a clear picture of what I mean. When you open the Etsy website, you only need to type in the calendar keyword and a lot of them will appear. You can observe some unique products to discuss, especially products that have good reviews and sales. You can observe their product stores. Then you will find a product from this store, or you can also search for it in Etsy search by typing the name of this store. The uniqueness of this shop is that the products they sell are very easy to make and may even only take 5 minutes to make, but we will discuss in detail about this digital product first. If we look at the store at a glance, the sales of this store reached 5,700 sales, and this is of course a pretty big number. Then if we look at the reviews of this product alone, there are about 500 reviews. Then we check whether there are sales this month by looking at the review sorting section to the latest review. If we see this product has 4 reviews this month, which means this product has buyers and is a product that buyers love, and if you scroll up you will see this product is a bestseller, so we can study it for our Etsy shop. If you're still not convinced that a simple product like this can become a bestseller, then you can check it using various tools you like, such as Samurai Sale, Erank, Marmalade, Alara, and so on. I checked using Alara by entering the name of the shop in the Shop Analyzer menu on the left of the Alara menu. We can check together the income from this shop is around 9,200 euros, and you only need to make it in 5 minutes and you can get 9,200 euros easily. Now let's try to check in Canva about this product. So now you open Canva and in the upper right corner you just click create a design, then just type calendar and various calendars will appear. In the template section you just look for a free calendar and I chose this calendar, then you just delete the edges so they are similar to the ones in the Etsy shop earlier and add the month and year. Then the design you have created will look similar to the one in the Etsy shop. So actually when you can sell digital products like this and you can earn 9,200 euros just by doing this. Although this digital product still needs to be edited a bit, but it only takes a few minutes and you can already sell your digital product on Etsy like the Etsy shop did. But if you want to earn more money, then I suggest adding more effort to your digital product. Let me give an example of another Etsy shop called Creative Dreamers Co. If we compare this store with the previous one, we will see a big difference, especially in terms of income. This shop is able to make almost $200,000, and the shop that we saw was only able to make 9,000 euros. But if you are the type of person who prefers not to put in too much effort, then you can copy the shop we discussed earlier, or if you want to get a pretty big one, then you can take a look at this shop we discussed. If we look at the listings, there are actually more stores that we discussed in the first place, with a total listing of 170 products in the store. While in the second store there were only about 116 listings, but the sales for each listing were very much different, about 10 times. What's even more unique is that the first store opened in 2019 and its revenue reached 9,200 euros, while the second store opened in 2020 and in just 2 years has earned almost 200,000 euros. Let's just check the best-selling products from each store. Of course, the difference is quite a lot when compared because the first shop only produces around €300 to sell the best-selling products, and the second shop is able to generate $23,000. Now we will discuss how to create an attractive calendar for sale and earn $23,000 from a single product. We just open the Canva website, then we click Create a new design and you just fill in the paper size you want, such as A4, A3, or other sizes. I just remembered that if you want to sell templates or digital products, I highly recommend that you read the license agreement in Canva so that there are no problems in the future. If you need Canva Pro, you can click on the description below, because we know for ourselves that you will have more convenience in designing with Canva Pro, but if you want to use the free version of Canva, that's okay too. If you want to create a calendar template, you can use the first method by choosing a free template, then you edit a little, but you can also use another way to create a template completely from scratch. If you want to make it from scratch, then you just need to type it in the search section with the keyword line, then you choose the line you want because there are many options that you can use. Some have a dot at the end or some have a triangular shape at the end. But there is an easier way without the need to drag the line to create a table. You just need to click on the menu element and you scroll down, then you will find a table. You just choose which table you want to choose because there are several table options that you can choose. If my advice is just choose the one in the upper left corner because later you can change the color according to your wishes. If you click it, then it will look like this and you just adjust it with the calendar you want to make the size and shape. If we want to make it like the digital product in the Etsy shop earlier, then we make 35 boxes or 5 down and 7 to the side. After that, tidy up the table by clicking on the table, and 3 dots will appear at the top and the left, and you select all the tables and you just select the column size equally, and the row size equally, then it will look like this. Then you just need to adjust the size so that at the top there is only a little distance, and in the second column the size is enlarged like the example above to fill various activities for your buyers. After the table you created is complete, we will create 2 more tables like the digital product example. The method is the same as clicking the table on the Canva menu, and you only need to create a similar table on the bottom right. Then you create a table like the one on the bottom right, and then, in the same way, but on the inside of the table you remove the lines and add numbers for each column along with the dots. You click the Elements menu and just type line and convert this line into dots for inside the column. If you have finished, then the next step is to set the table size for each table to make it even better, then add the text you need, such as the name of the month, year, date, etc., including notes in the lower left corner of the table that you created. If you want to give a color, then my advice is to use a color that suits your target market. If your target market likes pastel colors, then change every element in your design with pastel colors. If they like elegant colors like a combination of black and gold, then change it your table. But if you are lazy to look for color combinations, then you can use the Style menu in Canva. Then if you want to add various elements, it can also be like flowers or Christmas trees or Halloween ornaments and so on. The easy way is you just need to find the element you need, like in the Elements menu, then you arrange the elements according to your wishes. If you want to add an element as a background, then make sure you reduce the transparency of your table so that the background is visible. And you can adjust the elements with the current season or with certain events, for example when October is themed on Halloween and December is themed with Christmas. The last step, if our design is complete, then you can download your design via the share button in the top right corner, and I suggest you download it in PDF extension. Then if you want to sell your product in digital form, then use RGB, but if you sell it for printing, then I recommend using CMYK. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video to let me know what you would like to see next, and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.